ano yan? Tingnan nyo yun. Ingay ba? Ha? Diabetes.
Okay, 1 minute and 22 seconds, 14 on the shot clock. Number 27, Rodriguez, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Back Rodriguez, 8 seconds to shoot it. Down, no. Rebound, put back, Lee, voila, put back in the ball, good. 18 to 16. Dalawa na lang ang abante para sa lead ng Alves dito. Number 2 Sir Malonzo, 1 minute exactly. Shot clock is 18. Tompkins, drop pass, probably. Violation. 56 seconds, time remaining. Benz naman tayo, 55 seconds. 20 seconds on shot clock. Down to 80 to shoot. Rodriguez, balik Eli. Launches on third. Bang! Clear! Isa na ang kalabangan from one card game. 40 seconds. Napo. Binigay kay number 2 Alonzo. Cross pass kay number 1, 7 to C. Ball. Umikot na naman ang recover. Step down ang contest. Drop pass kay Sanchez. Shot clock 12. 10 on the shot clock. Ball. Steal. Shot clock is there. 20 seconds. Is there. 10 15 seconds. Wala na tayong shot clock. Last 10. Last 8. Last 5. Down to 3. Wait for the buzzer. Score na din 21 to 20. Isa ang kalabangan para sa team ng white card.
Sabi ba yun? Kaya pumuli ako.
Wild card po tayo. Oh, okay. Unset technical lang. So wala ng players tayo. Okay, sir. Okay daw. Okay, man. Ball para kay number 37 Red Rock is shooting now. Binigay kay number 30 Pineda. Back na naman para kay Tiglao. Gusto ka mag-go. 15 seconds on the shot clock. There's an extra pass. So, make it Tiglao. Atake, free draw. Papantang tira, wala. Kapagawang nakapulot. Long tee. Basic basketball. That's a 12 to 3 to 20. Tatlo ang abante para sa team ng wildcard. Number 23 is Napo. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Back again to Napo. Sing basketball on. Don't make the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Bounce. Baseline drive. Up and under. Mapalado malakas. Agawang bola. Napupulot na rin number 4 Mr. Silva. Waiting for teammate. There's a whistle. Now, number 4.
First personal
First personal foul. First team foul ba lang yan? Ng mga galing from Alves dito. On down the ball na rin number 4 Mr. Silva. And then about to number 13 Mr. Pineda ngayon. Marami ang nagbola. Long has a three. Now, rebound ba na? Outlet pass. Mr. Balon. Good. And ball out of down. There's a miscommunication and a third over. Para sa team ng one guard. Okay, 14 na lang ang ating shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, doon sa ilalim ang inbound. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mr. Napo maging down. Looking for teammate. Bounce pass. Full of play. Nugget. Rebound na daw. Sinapo na kapulot. Umigo ng bait. Pinisi ang bola. 10 on the shot clock. Balan. Hesitation. Quick cross out. Get it down. White kasama pang bell. Barakit number 30. Burns, first team foul pa rin yan. Both team first team foul. Let's see the bonus shot. Good. 25, 23. Alright, that is on 30 seconds. Number 37, Mr. Declau. And may out ng bola. Shot clock 18. Cross pass tayo. Number 30, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Back na naman Declau. Fake. Good zone. Pass and fake. Kamagong 10 on the shot clock. 8 to shoot. 5 on the shot clock. There's a holding bell. Para kay number 4. Second personal bell. Second team bell. Okay, 14 ulit yan. Reset ang ating shot clock dahil nagkaroon tayo ng bell. 40 to shoot, 40 on the shot clock. Number 37, Declau. Trabayang ng bola, 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 to shoot. Big pass, recover ka na goal, 5 on the shot clock. Ganda pasa, good. 25, deadlock. Okay, number 4 na yun, Trabayang awang. Nakapasa yan, dito tayong tindihan. That's a miscommunication again. Number 30 magiging down, magiging Declau. Trabayang ng bola, as there's a page, siya naman tatawin, shot clock is 18. Pinasa sa kalaban, para kay number 4, there's a all-alone layup, good. 27-25. Okay, 7 minutes and 20. Okay, 7 minutes and 15, 18, okay, 20 seconds on the shot clock. 18 seconds to shoot. Number 4, Silva. Again, rebound, layup. At papupunta para kay number 30, outlet pass. Di na naman tayo. There's a whistle. Now, number 20, Mr. De Leon. Requesting timeout from the team qualified. First personal foul para kay Mr. De Leon. And the 30 foul para sa team ng Alabas Dino. Okay, Royce sino, meron kang dalawang timeout. At isa naman para sa team ng one-card game. Back to the ball. Okay, 14 to shot lang yan. 14 seconds on the shot clock. On Mr. Declau mag-game down. Binigay ni Mr. Kamagong looking for safety. Baseline, exciting drive. Lahat ang tira again. 27, deadlock. On Mr. Balan, as it is a very good over. Shot clock 18. Cross passing number 4. Drive, ball, drop pass, Balan, good. 29, 27. The ball bounce pass, Mugler, long, good. 29, deadlock. On 6 minutes and 1, number 7, Mr. Ball, fake. Drop pass, number 3, ball, shot, there's a bell. Number 4, Mr. Silva.
First personal foul.
Okay, first personal foul. Second team foul. The first shot again, 29 deadlock pa rin. Let's see. The second shot, Gopher ready. Again, rebound and steal. Number 7, nabigawan ni Mr. Balan. Does the ball out of bounds. On 6 minutes exactly. On 9 minutes and 55, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Silva ngayon, drive, fake, pinasa sa kalaban, outlet pass, masyado mahina. Kick-out niya kay Lalan, not for good. 31, 29, dalawang abante para sa team ng Royce Casino. 18 on the shot clock. Pass, Kamagong, take the ball, there's a lane. Violation. Okay, pwede ba yan? Last possession tayo. It's a shoot basket. Change fight na yan. Last fight natin. Mag-ready na. Ang Mr. Dabo ngayon. Bible ng Wani. Drives and fake. Balan. Drop pass. Ilalan. Number 3. Good. Change fight. Last fight na yan. Score natin. 33-29. Apat na puntos ang kapanya for El Vestido. Last fight natin. Pasok na. Okay, wild card ang ating ball position. Okay, wild card is number 15. Mr. Drury. Pinigay ni number 22, Mr. Diglao. Bounce pass, Mr. Drury. 18 on the shot clock. As it is a baseline guard. Step back off 2, wala rebound. Number 18. On to the Wed, setting up Blaze, inbound to the ball, number 27, 18 seconds on the shot clock. And then down, Alonzo, short stop, Nugget, rebound Madel, at nabubudan na rin number 1, Pamanantino, wala, 10 on the shot clock, at masyado mataas ang pasa. Ay, the back door, and out of bounds record. Okay, katong sinanyan, 14 on the shot clock na yun, 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, number 5, moving down to Sir Drury, looking for Sidney. Bounce pass, ilalim, masyado malalim, 4 minutes and 35. Number 18, aasakin naman, top pass naman, start, now. At may kasama pang foul yan. There's a whistle, foul, number 22.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul.
13 foul.
13 foul, both teams. First shot, negative. On second shot, number ready. On second shot, number ready.
Tama to.
Hit. On 34, 29.
Ang pag mga good na, still lang.
On number 22 is Ricky Lau. Gonna be out the ball, shot clock is 20. Dedicating a top no, bounce pass. Oh, there's a kick ball. Okay, continues pa rin ang ating shot clock. Shot clock is 16. Okay, ball bounce to the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Back to the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Patay, wala. Rebound and pass. Wala pa rin. Di at tumama. 5 on the shot clock. Intercepted na naman. Hey, Buta, taang inabot. Rico Perky Malonzo. Pinasa kay number 13 Sanchez. 15 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. Foul number 71, Mr. Tapio. First contact. Warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. 14 on the shot clock. For the downtown Nugget. Rebound number 10 Mr. Lee. Outlet pass kay Drury. At masyadong malakas ang kada. On ball back to the ball number 18. Bump number 27. Bump and ball. Oh, hey! There's a offensive foul yan, idol. Tinulang mo kasama ang bola.
Ay, matanong ito lang.
Keto ko eh. Ano yung mga ground over?
Warning for penalty. Second personal.
Okay, second personal foul number 27. Warning for penalty. Shot clock is 18. Is her top now. Pinigay 8 Drury. Wala. Rebound number 18. Outlet pass number 27. Sinabayaw ng bola. Drives behind the back. Bounce pass sa ilalim. Drop pass ulit. There's a whistle. Foul number 0. Penalty na yan, sir. Okay, penalty situation. First contact. Good shot of the warrior to Mr. Melendez. First shot there. The closing timeout. Point guard giving. 35-29. shooting now. Both paid. Going to the basket. There's a whistle. Foul. Give it. Play number 3. Mr. Malonzo. Penalty na sir. Penalty na tayo. Good team. No more fouls again. Penalty na yan. 2 shot of awarded. Para kay Mr. Diglaw. The first shot good. 35-30. 5 puntos ang kabate. Let's see kung babawasan ba. Kay Mr. Diglaw. Jumper ready na yan. And again, right down bottle, number 1 is 7. 2 minutes and 15, number 1. On siya magkata with the ball on 2 minutes and 45, Mr. Twazen. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Picked out kay Malonzo. Means it down Santos. Good. 37-30. On 30 seconds, 18 on the shot clock. Top goal. Again, rebound by Sanchez Leon. 2 minutes and 20 seconds, swing pass. Number 27. Bounce down Sanchez to left, fade. Draws and passing line, up and under. Again, rebound by Del. Mapunta pa kaya number 1 to Mr. Diglaw. Bounce pass to Devon, Mr. Drury. Minutes and 2 minutes and 18 on the shot clock. Number 2 Malonzo, bounce, passing on it. Shot clock 15, through draw. Again, rebound, number 0. Nasa naman ang Tagyo, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Zigzag and pass, really short stop. Again. 1 minute and 40. Sanchez binigay kay number 2, Mr. Malonzo. Again, rebound na naman, 1 minute and 35. Bounce ball, number 20. Throw down on the ball, there's a whistle, down. Where's it, number 13.
Second.
Requesting timeout, El Desigo. On the first shot, the game. Second shot, number ready. 1 minute and 27 seconds.
Danami ako na
Bid. 37, 31. 1 minute and 25. Okay, number 2, Mr. Malonzo ngayon. 20 seconds on the shot clock, setting a play. Malonzo, sing pass here, number 100. 15 seconds on the shot clock. There's an extra pass, number 27 was me. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Second, rebound. Reset na natin shot clock, tinaldag. Papat ang tira, grid. Okay.
Alam mo minute ang ano? Ewan ko. Mukha sawa ni Kapuso yun.
Okay, long, 55 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5 is for 3. Pass on the ball, number 1 is Diglaw. Back in the ball, 50 seconds. Short stop. 34 seconds. 40 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Dodgers from the downtown. No, right down the ball. Last 30 seconds. Kailangan natin ang mechanics.
Nawan na yan.
Okay, back number 27.
First personal foul.
Cross pass. 18 on the shot clock. Wanted. 15 to shoot. 15 seconds game clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds game clock. 8 to shoot. Good. Shot clock is in. Last 5. Last 3. Great. For the buzzer. Guys, here the first result of the break na. Is already at 41 to 35. That's right. High para kay number 4, shortstop, Rick Nugget. Rebound. On that side, Marco Wells leading now. Pinagay kay number 27, Mr. Rodriguez. Shot clock is 18. Cross pass and steal. Number 4, Torres, outlet pass. Number 7, Mr. Dolan Lumigat. 18 seconds on the shot clock. As the day goes, step back and drop pass. Not for Bell. Bell given by number 4. By brother, Mr. Green. First personal foul, first state foul. First shot again.
Alam mo yan. Nadala na yan.
Again, shot good.
Sending yata ito.
All good. No bound. All 43, 38. Number 7 na si Paul Balita. Shot clock 16. 42 to 38. Baba sa apat ang kalaban ng Alvin Stino. Number 20. Ball Amigo at may resell. Tayo. Foul given by number 22. Para kay Mr. Tiglao.
Personal foul, first team foul.
Okay, third personal foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Wala. Three foul wala kay Gruy. Pero mag-foul pa ng bola. Nagmamatalan. Nasa 3-3 situation. Cross pass sa Rodriguez. Full day. Masyado malakas. Papapada pa kay number 1. Okay, number 3 cutter. Going to the basket na naman. Wala pa din yan. Battle of the rebound. Mr. Lee. Pero mag-foul pa ng bola. Drive back pay. Intercept na naman. Outlet pass. Number 7. Balon. Top. Pass. Good. 34. 38. Ang atanganin. Ay, Mr. Silva. Pass to Mr. Gruy. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 50 to shoot it. Rodriguez, pass to Gruy. Ball to the Turnigan. Rebound by the naman. Ang napunta. Tumama pa sa paa. Number 3. Okay, 14 ulit ang ating shot clock. 40 to shoot. 48 seconds on the shot clock. Substitute. Ay, nabigyan na. Sabay ko na yun. Okay, 40 on the shot clock. Pass to naman. 12 to shoot. Mr. Gruy. Long test of Gruy. Bang! 44, 41. Tatlo na lang ulit. Mr. Napo. 5 minutes after the 5, 18 on the shot clock. Pinigay number 4, Torres. Power. Not this time. Okay, same ball. Substitution. Number 3 out from the Aldestino. 22 out, Mr. Tiglao. Pace of the night. Mr. Bentley. Bala siya. Ang liga ng Earth. 40 on the shot clock.
Liga lang.
Pass and drives. At may penalty dyan. Who's got it? Number 21, Mr. Tapio. Dalawa ka na, sir.
Second team foul.
Second team down.
Liga lang, Earth.
First shot good.
May dana pati dito.
Okay, 45 to 41. Apat ulit ang kalamangan ng Aldestino. Second shot to be awarded. Jumper ready. Good. 46, 41. Lima. Ulit ang kalamangan. 5 minutes and 30. Number 27, Mr. Rodriguez. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Pinigay number 5. Drives, Gruy, bounce, passing on. At may foul. Foul given by number 18. First contact, first team foul. First shot again. On second shot, jumper ready. Good. Okay, 46, 42. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. On number 1, I think Mr. Nutball. Coming out ng bola. Take pass to number 4, Mr. Torres. Cross pass naman. Ball shot clock 15. Back to Torres. Ang atake. Pass sa ilalim. Bolt through. Off the glass is here. 48, 43. Number 27, Dalton. Pass it on. Back again, number 27, Rodriguez. Same pass. Gruy, both fake. Step on the contest. Zigzag and seal. Outlet pass sa iyan. Aatake na naman. It's a foul. Lang sa ilalim. Para kay number 21, Mr. Tapio. Tatlo ka na, sir. Tatlo na rin ang team foul. Para sa team ng wildcard. Okay, ilalim lang ang tawag. 19 on the shot clock tayo. 19 seconds to shoot, 19 seconds on the shot clock. Pass. Price, pull, Jerry, Balon again. Rebound naman, ang bola. Papunta kay Rodriguez ngayon. Pero magkakawa yung twin pass, wala kay Tapio. There's a 3v2 situation. Alley-oop pass. Lucky bounce again. Papunta na naman. Para kay Jerry, representing Mr. Balon. Price, big. It's pass, seal. Second ball.
Halo ba namin kaya kami na? Joba? Tayo mag...
Okay, time out. Requesting time out. One card. Second line drive, fake pass, 50 on the shot clock. Lee, 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Nakakit ka eh.
8 to shoot. It's again. Rebound na naman. Put back to Silvan. Wala. Reset ulit. Okay, 3 minutes and 30 ball. Number 18. Swing bounce na naman. Now play ulit. Masyado pa lang sa pasa. Doon sa deflected. Mula kay Gruy. Yan naman foul the ball. Swing bounce ulit kay Tapio. Bounce kay Allen. Bang and shots. It's again. Rebound. Ball. Ball. Foul. Wait lang sir. Mechanics ko na tayo. Foul. Number 20. De Leon. Stop. Tapio out. Silvan out.
Second team foul.
Okay, second contact, number 20. Second team foul.
Dua pa kan tama ko. Dua pa kan sir.
Ali, ati kasi 30. Ali, adwaya pa. Itang 30 nandun niya may foul.
Okay, the first shot again. Again. 48 to 45, 3 minutes. And time. As the number 30 Sanchez ngayon, 18 seconds on the shot clock. Balik in number 20, De Leon, short stop. Again. Rebound Badal. As the naman tayo dyan, tarang number 21, Mr. Tapio, setting a play. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Cross pass kay Silvan. Pass it upon Silvan. Launch to the turn again. Rebound Badal. They got that number 0. There's a result. Foul. Para kay number 18, dalawa na Zen. Stop. Number 5, going out. Third contact, 20, 4 penalty. Okay, 48 to 45. Good. 48, 46, dalawang puntos lang ang bante. Second shot. Jumper ready.
Pumasok sir, yung pangalawa.
Good. Stop. Going out. Okay, sino? Lumabas na, lumabas na. Okay na, okay na. Okay, 48 to 47, isang puntos na lang ang bante para sa team ng Albes dito. 2 minutes and 35. Big pass kay Sanchez from the downtown. At my foul. Number 23. 24 penalty na yan. Okay, number 4 Torres out.
Lee.
Okay, Lee out. Mr. Lee, number 10. Out. Okay, waiting for Broadway, number 20, Biglao. Waiting for penalty. First shot din. Okay, dalawang tira pa. Okay, again. Last shot na tayo. Jumper ready. Oh, last shot to be awarded. Jumper ready. It's red. Okay, 15 to 37. Tatlo ulit ang kalabangan para sa team ng Elvis Dito. 2 minutes and 25. Number 21 is the top nyo. 15 seconds on shot clock. Cross pass, step back, Asencio. 2 minutes and 15 na yun. Binigay na naman para kay jersey number 3. Mr. Diglao. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Pass it over to Sorpreso. Pass the runner. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Diglao. Again. Bring down na naman para kay number 0. Pass it naman top nyo. Outlet pass. Maglalaan. Nabitawan pa. Mapupunta kay Diglao. Binigay niya number 13. Mr. Sorpreso na yun. Taking runner ball. Big shot. Okay, wala na second motion dyan mga idol. Okay, bell on number 45, Mr. Zibal. Okay, warning for Broadway, penalty.
Balikan niya ito. Wala kaya ito. Wala ko sa gagawin mo. Singers.
Okay, 30 seconds is delivered on Sibalat. Free throw idol. Penalty tama. Play up ulit pa. Nuwag yung idol, tira na. Nung pero wali mo na.
Hindi ka pa makapals sa iba. Pwede kayong gumamit pa. 30 pound. 1 pound sa gitna.
Okay, again. Okay, second basket pag pumasok. Kid.
Sab.
Hands up. 18 out. Okay, take a ring natin. 1 minute and 48 seconds, 15 47, available. Number 0. Nasa naman tayo para kami sa top nyo. Down to 1 minute and 25. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Right, stop nyo. Okay. Negative. Rebound by the number 1 is Domenico Mambola. Ang pagkata kay Jose number 1 is Jordan Leon. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Right, fake, drop pass, in. 53-47. 1 minute and 20. Biglao. Stop nyo. David. 53-49. 1 minute and 10. 18 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Molonza. Binigay kay number 20. De Leon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Intercepted. 55 seconds. Ang taas. Maglalang. It's in. 50 seconds. 52-51. Alright, 53-51. 18 on the shot clock. Let's look it. Rebound by Lau. Shot clock is 10. 33 seconds. 8 on the shot clock. Number 3, Mr. Biglao. Wait lang. Okay, 28 seconds. Okay, ball pass at about 25 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 80 to shoot, 20 seconds. Shot clock is 15. Biglao, bounce pass Maglalaw. 10 on the shot clock. Wala. Shot clock is set. 10 seconds. last 5. It's second, last 3. Wait for the buzzer. That's the end. That is on a third quarter. Scoring another 53 to 51.
Safety, pare ha.
Oh, this is the last and final quarter between the Elvis Vida versus the Ants. White guard Davey. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4, drop pass to Belam. Shot clock 15. No fake na naman. Cross pass tayo. Super fake pass. 10 on the shot clock. Look it. Rebound the ball na naman. Nagong ball na naman. Dapat kay number 13 Sanchez. Binigay kay Mr. Napo. 20 seconds on the shot clock para matawid ang bola. Napo. Shot clock 15. Zigzagging drop pass. Number 27. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul. Number 99. Mr. Manglalang. First personal foul. First team foul. Okay, 14 to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound the ball. Number 1 is Zebet. Binigay Napo. Ball fake. Upset na bitawan. Okay, the ball out of bounds. Oh, Zebet minutes at 15 seconds. Rodriguez nila. Shot clock is 18. Thousand bounds. Rodriguez shoots. Stop. No. Rebound the ball na naman.
Belen nyo rin yan. Ver 7 M1 oras.
Lines it off.
8-8 ka mo, Dol.
Good.
10-10-8. 10-10-8 ka mo ano sir? 10-10-8. 10-10-8 ka ano?
Oh, shot clock 18. Drop pass at the ball. Oh, save ball.
Stop.
Stop. Okay, number 10 out. Maglalang out. Okay, hit the time to get the wall. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, down the ball like that. 10 seconds on the shot clock. It's second. Break down the ball and bring over to the line. Put back. Good. 55, 53. On 6 minutes and 30 seconds, number 2 is Nicolas Leon. Cargayan the ball, cross pass Saigon. Sanchez from the downtown. Again, rebound by down. 6 minutes and 20. On number 0. Cargayan with the ball, shot clock is 18. 15 seconds to shoot. Bounce. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 to shoot from the downtown. Again, good back, good. 55, deadlock. Mr. Napo, baseline drive, drop pass number 27, ball, umikot, nawala and steal. 5 minutes and 45, outlet pass naman para kay number 5, Mr. Bully. One disappear. Eto, pera. Elvis Higo, deadlock na tayo. Okay. Wait mo. Mga load lang yan eh. Nandun. Eh, bali yung assumption na yun doon eh. Boss Mike. shot again. Rebound by number 9, second on the shot clock. It's a miscommunication. On target to take out the shot clock. Again. Rebound the ball. Mr. Balan. Pass to Leon. Edwin.
Edit mo lang pa rin, di ba?
57, 55, 13. Nagdalawa lang ang timeout.
Ano yung laman? Ako pala.
15 seconds on the shot clock.
Sabi ni Sanchez, kaya
Yes, again. We're down the ball. 4 minutes and 30. Pass, Napo, drive, drop pass, ball, trigger on page, shot clock 15. Only 15 seconds on the shot clock. Alright, there's a whistle, foul. Number 4, Mr. Torres.
third personal foul.
Third personal foul. First team foul pa lang yan. Okay, putting on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. 4 minutes and Sally. 10 on the shot clock. Again, rebound, Madaw. At napupunta na ng mga para-jersey number. Alright, there's a whistle. Foul, number 18. Third personal foul. Second team foul pa lang yan. Shot clock is 14. Okay, 14 on the shot clock. 14 seconds of shooting. Down the ball, number 0. Swing pass kay Rodriguez. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Baseline drives. Masyado malakas ang tira. Rebound game number 18. Outlet pass na magagaling for El Mestizo. 3 minutes and 45. Cross pass to left. Balon. Trabayan ng bola. Fake. Right shot. Too short. Rebound. Badel. Zerli. Pass and steal. Ballers at may foul. Foul na yan. Jersey number 10 is Zerli. First contact.
First personal
First team foul pa lang tayo.
First personal foul.
Okay, first personal foul is Zerli. Correct na mo na. Second team foul na from the one guard. Two shot. Okay, first shot. Diggy. Second shot, number ready. Again. 5 minutes and 25. Number 5 is Bruley. 18 on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Number 27. Again, on the shot clock. Rodriguez, too short. 3 minutes and 10. Outlet pass, up touch, pass ball. Again, same ball. Tayo. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Time out. One guard. Okay, one guard. Isa na lang ang time out. Elvis dito meron. Pang dalawa. Okay, 18 on the shot clock. There's a groveling violation.
Low. Chukard. Chukard, pinandit na.
Okay, 10 minutes and 5. Now the 3 minutes exactly, Mr. Papillon. Cross bounce, second
naman
10 is
siya.
3, 15 on the shot clock. Bounce and fade, 3. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rise to drop. Again, rebound Badel. At mabubuta kay number 0, back na naman. Number 5 is Bruley, 10 on the shot clock again. 8 to shoot. Okay, pamantang tira, wala. Reset na naman na shot clock. Wala pa din, Dian Tumala. Intercepted. Leon on the pass. Balon. Good. 59-55. minutes and 20, shot clock 18, Tapio hesitation, big, pull up J, good. 59-57. Warning number 0 for second motion. 2 minutes and 13 seconds.
Team foul, team foul.
Kaya mo tawarin yan.
Asahan motion lang yan.
2 minutes and 10. 18 seconds on the shot off, 2 minutes and 5. Goal pass sa ilalim. Nopo, Perry, Troy, zigzagging, drop pass, recover 10 on the shot off. Good. 1 minute and 55. Sakta clock na yan. Ay, 40 on the shot clock. Back to shoot. From the downtown low. Rebound the goal. Reset ang ating shot clock. Shot clock 12 again. Ball, drive, good, timeout. El Vestido. 61-59, dalawa lang. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Both teams tag-isa ang timeout.
Kaya kong basa ng kahit anong
Ay, 1 minute and 33 seconds. 61-59. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 33 seconds. 61-59. Dalawa lang ang mga bata from El Vestido. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Inbound the ball, Dantes. Binigay para kay Richard Napo. 1 minute and 30. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 25. Shot clock. 15. Dantes. It's naked. Rebound battle ni El Vestido. Papupunta. 5 pass na naman. 10 seconds on the shot clock again. Ball on. It's naked. Rebound na naman. And then ball on. Number 20. Cross pass and steal. 1 minute and 10. Mr. Gruy. Binigay kay Tapio. Pull up. Wala. Rebound na po. 1 minute exactly. Number 18. Balik kay Balon. It's a foul on Taiwan. Tigas ko na tayo. Foul. Number 21. Wala pa tayong penalty. Okay, third personal foul. 13 fouls on finishing. Wait lang. Okay, stop. Sino? Number out. Okay, 57 seconds.
Ayan, ayan.
13 foul pa lang, 13 foul. Tatlo si Tapio, tatlo rin ang team foul, 55 seconds. Shot clock, 15. 50 seconds, 10 on shot clock, win. 63, 59, 28 seconds. 64. Okay, sige ball.
Bob, 3 points yan.
Okay, 43 to 20. Pass. 18 on the shot clock. Number 10, Leo Rigot. It's second. Rebound by the long. 35 seconds. Mr. Sanchez. Binigay kay number 18 ngayon. Lost. 30 seconds. Cross pass sa ilalim. And a baseline. Violation. Okay, 29 seconds. Ano yung iba meto? Okay, turn out. 25. Okay, hindi na kamukay. 2 points lead.
Kuha, tubal, sige. Kuha, tubal, sige.
Kapala dyan. Aling itangay. Tinira na nandun.
Tres siya o dos?
Press on.
Kaya pa, 6 millimeter.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. Front court inbound na nabigat. 29 seconds. Shot clock, 14 lang yan. Okay, 29 seconds. Shot clock is 14. to board 59. Inbound number 5-3. Binigay kay Tapia. Recover. There's a foul. Number 21, Tapia. Okay, foul out na there si Mr. Tapia. Warning for penalty. Foul out na and a warning for penalty. Okay, 26 seconds. Atap sila, money shot clock.
Uy, yan yung rin.
Okay, down the ball. Number 4, Mr. Palacion. To the guy. Number 20, back in the month. On. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sanchez. 67, 59, 20 seconds. Foul, Chupa. 18 seconds. Number 10 is released. Step back, long third again. Just 13 seconds.